How to use the exercise section of Myfitnesspal. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. Open up your Myfitnesspal application. Make sure to log in to your account. You will find an interface like this. To use the exercise section of your Myfitnesspal, you can scroll down and tap on the workout option at the bottom, or select diary, then tap on add exercise. Select cardiovascular, strength, or workout routines according to your workout preference. Here, if you tap on explore, it will let you know about some of the workout routines that you can try. You just have to go ahead and tap on any of this routine. Then you can also know what exercise you will be doing right here and how many reps. If the workout looks like for you, go ahead and select the option of log workout at the bottom. You can also set your own routine by tapping on build routine. In here, tap on add exercise. Select anyone from this category, or you can even search by exercise name. Tap on the box, then tap on add. Now right here, you can add instructions for your own routine. For an example, I'll be writing start by stretching your hamstring. You can write any of the instruction that you want it to remember. You can add the reps as well and timing by just tapping on the box or tapping on add set. The number of reps will let you know how many times you will have to repeat the particular exercise, and also the timing as well. If you want to lift something, you will have to add the number of kgs and reps that you will be doing in your bench press or lifting as well. Once you are done, go ahead and tap on the tick mark icon at the top. Now save your routine. You can go ahead and check for a calorie burn in the section after every workout that you perform. And that is exactly how you can use the exercise section of Myfitnesspal app. Isn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.